Well, new microwave, new refrigerator, new freezer. But the old freezer's on the back porch. And the dishwasher is right there because I guess there's a leak in the hose on the old dishwasher. I don't know. But they couldn't do anything with it. So we're gonna have to figure it out ourselves, right? And the foundation company came in, installed all the jacks this morning, put all the beams in, and they left about 45 minutes before the appliance delivery showed up. So, and you can see I have an absolute mess. Bicycle.